To safely clean home, car stereo, and electronic speakers, start by removing the front grille and dusting off the speaker cone. Use a lint roller or wet wipes on the grille to prevent dust buildup. For laptops, use cotton swabs and rubbing alcohol, making sure to turn off and disconnect the laptop first. Phone speakers can be cleaned with a soft, bristled toothbrush, avoiding water or liquid cleaning products. Smart speakers can be wiped with a dry, lint-free cloth. Avoid household cleaners and compressed air. When cleaning speakers, ensure they are disconnected from power sources and remove grills if possible. Use canned air or a soft brush to remove dust. Then wipe with a damp microfiber cloth and dry with another microfiber cloth. For fabric grills, use a lint roller, and for metal or plastic grills, use wet wipes. Remember not to use household cleaners, compressed air, or liquid cleaning products, and always disconnect speakers from power sources before cleaning.